Atlantis, Houston for the attitude maneuver.
Go ahead, Houston.
Scooter, wonder if you wouldn't mind reloading the minus CLV, minus XVV attitude, and then give us an item 19. We think we'll...
Oh, I see. Yeah, you're right. I dumped it with the 20, and then the 19 really didn't do anything, did it?
No, sir. So it's target ID 2, body vector 3, Omicron 0.
And you understand you need that reloaded. I am seeing that 3 plus 90 is in there.
Scooter, we see the same thing. We're going to take a look at it.
Okay, let me know when you're ready for the 19. Or if you want me to just reload it anyway. And Houston, we had an inadvertent switch cycle of MMU1. We'd like to go ahead and turn it back on.
Okay, hey, thanks, Scooter. We saw the same thing. We're ready for it to be powered back up.
Okay, powering back up.
This is Mission Control Houston. We're looking at...
In Atlantis for PDRS.
Go ahead, Mass.
We see us complete with this end effector crew cabin survey, and we're going to move on to payload base survey. We're wondering if you had, we know we want to get that shot of the umbilical pins. Do you have an arm position for us? We think we can probably eyeball it, but if you had a position you want to tell us about, we'll write it down and try to match it.
Mass, I got it right here in front of me. Let me know when you're ready to copy.
X, I'm all ears. Go ahead.
All right, Mass, X, negative 1133. Y, positive 44. Z, negative 534. Pitch, 280. Yaw, 25. Roll of 0. And a payload ID of 0.
Dex, what I heard was minus 1133 plus 44 and minus 534 for the position. Attitude 280, 25, and the roll is 0.
Good readback, Mass.
Houston, Atlantis for payloads.
Go ahead, John.
So we're on page 114, payload ops, checking the status on SOC overview, spec 211, and we're looking at FSS EPDSU 1/2 amps, 2 of them less than 3. We're showing 21.4 and 12.9.
Hey, thanks a lot, John, and great job. We think we found a typo in the procedure. It should be 30, not 3.0, so we're happy with the current config, and all the data in step 8 looks good to us.
to FDM Bravo, power down.
This is Mission Control Houston. While we're listening to conversation between Mission Control and the crew on board Space Shuttle Atlantis, we're watching launch engineering replays from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The variety of views of the launch of Shuttle Atlantis this afternoon. The launch took place at 1:01 p.m. Central Time. Crew members moved through their post-insertion timeline and have completed setup of the onboard computer and the computer network, the photo TV system. Mission specialists Megan MacArthur and Mike Massimino powered up and finished the checkout of the robotic arm. And that Massimino and mission specialist Mike Good have now completed the crew cabin survey.
For PDRS, Megan's doing a good job of zeroing in on that umbilical connector. You guys seeing that on the ground?
And Mass, Megan's doing a great job, and the view is terrific, and it looks just right.
Yeah, we agree, Dex, and you can see all the pins there. So I think it looks clear to us. If you're good with that, we'll move on.
Stand by just 1 second while we're checking. Atlantis Houston for PDRS. That shot of the umbilical just looks great. Everybody's really happy with it, and we're ready to move on.
Okay, Dex, I think we're going to fly around here a little bit and warm up, see what we find, and if you guys have anything else you want to see in particular, let us know, or else we just have some fun.
Okay, that sounds great, Mass. I'm sure Megan's really looking forward to seeing how that arm really flies.
She's like an old pro.